a day without your mobile phone? Could you imagine a day without internet? The reason is the connectivity. We all connected with the internet.
Having fun with experiments to actually building our own IoT products. The experience was crazy for us. To be really honest with you, it didn't feel like your conventional way of teaching. And it didn't feel like studying, to be really honest with you. It was more of a beautiful experience.
We are so lucky to actually get hands-on experience from first year, and we don't have to wait for like 3-4 years to actually get it.
So yesterday product was all about like this sensor. So we use the ESP32 processor. In that we included the motion sensor device, and that we can use in our day-to-day life.
That is the device which can detect the intruder. So if someone enters without your permission or without knowing, that device will send an alert notification to your WhatsApp or Instagram or Gmail.
जब हम कोड कर रहे थे तो कोड में बहुत सारे डाउट थे, लाइक ये क्यों लिखा है, ऐसा क्यों हुआ है. Then he was a person who explained it very nicely कि void क्यों लिखा है और हमने email इसमें ऐसे connect क्यों की और NIAT क्या होता है.
Honestly, the hands-on projects and the way the mentor was explaining everything made it more exciting and honestly more interactive.
This workshop made me believe that innovation occurs when there's no fear of failure.